insect to watch is the deadleaf mantis, which mimics dead leaves to prey on other insects, such as butterflies and beetles.
Nigga, that don't look like a dead leaf. YouTube Wagwan, man, you know it's your boy Click, and you're tuned to Click React. Today we're going to be looking at the most impossible moments caught on camera, man. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. You can do that right now. Drop a like right now. Turn on post notifications. And let me know which one of these moments really took you guys by surprise. I'm just going to get right into it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
To see some completely out of ordinary events. But if they were not caught on camera, we probably wouldn't believe it. An incredible moment to watch happened after a rehabilitated chimpanzee showed gratefulness to the team, who cured her upon release back to the wild.
That's cool.
Even though this video might look fake, it's completely real and comes from a camera in a submarine 3,700 feet underwater in the middle of the ocean, which captured an alien-looking creature.
Omega what? No way that's an actual thing. Yeah, that's why I said, man, I don't play with the ocean. Wait.
Some theories of what it could be is a vampire squid or a type of jellyfish.
Bro, can you imagine seeing that in the water?
It's normal for goalies to kick the ball from their area to the other team's side, but this goalkeeper decides to perform the distribution a little different.
Oh, beach volleyball. That's so unnecessary. You can always kick further than you can throw.
Okay, not 100% sure what prompted this, but at a grocery store parking lot, what looked
Attack
like an
of
army
the
of shopping carts started charging towards the lot, and it's funny to see.
It's the wind, bro. That shit is crazy. You imagine, bro, you just got your brand new whip and these fucking things just charge at it and slap up your whip? Crazy. Whoa.
Since zebra sharks are docile and slow moving, they usually can be easily approached underwater and would not bite unless given a good reason. When a diver was trying to do his work of cleaning up the fish tank, a cuddly zebra shark wouldn't stop asking the diver to pet him.
And then it bit him. No, that's strange.
This might seem like an impossible turn of events, but it actually happened. When a robber went to rob a woman by asking her to pull out money from her bank account through an ATM, he noticed that the woman's bank account was actually left empty, so he just decided to give her money back.
Oh, shit. That is very nice of him. Okay, I respect that.
Back in 1958, it was allowed for an atomic blast to happen 500 feet deep underwater in the Pacific Ocean for testing purposes. And well, as it detonates,
I don't think that
millions of gallons of water became instantly vaporized by a sort of miniature sun suddenly forming. And it's really impressive to see how much energy is released from such a small amount of atoms.
Whoa. That is crazy.
An incredible tunnel.
I don't want to be near that. That's all I know.
To make is a mountain pass that connects Argentina and Chile together, which is 10,000 feet long, and it kind of looks like a secret facility.
Oh, underground. That is wild.
When Land Rover
how stable could that be?
Speed bump on the road that seems impossible to go through, some cars tried to no avail. And well, then a Range Rover gave it a try, and the reactions of people passing by are hilarious.
Oh, so that's what it's for. To persuade you to get a Range.
An almost unbelievable play at a college football game happened when one of the players managed to score a touchdown and avoid getting tackled by almost the entire opposite team.
What the fuck? Must be some high school shit. The whole way. The run of his life. Boom. No block.
Even though birds are generally not known to be scary, shoebill storks might take the place of being the most scary type of bird.
Scary, creepy.
Flattering display they make during nesting season.
That's
really bizarre footage to watch comes from a whale shark gliding through bioluminescent algae, and it looks straight out of another universe.
For real. Some of this shit I would never believe. I still don't.
A crazy demonstration of skill and spatial awareness from a truck driver happened when he had to squeeze the truck through a very small underground tunnel.
Niggas like to play games? Oh shit. Bro, some of these truck drivers, yo. That is crazy.
And incredible footage to watch comes from the SpaceX team, who attached a GoPro inside a fairing from a Falcon 9 flight that captured some incredible
Bro,
views from
honestly,
space,
yo,
while it fell back
sometimes
to
I don't
Earth.
even believe this shit, bro. Look at that. That is crazy. GoPro, eh? Almost can't even see the land.
A crazy footage to watch comes from the Gulf of Alaska, where the Pacific
this
and Indian
oil?
Oceans meet, but they never mix with each other due to the difference of water density, temperature, and salinity. And the color variations of the water in the merging point makes it mesmerizing to watch.
Yeah, low-key, I'd want to see this. Like, not from right there,
A
but
heart-stopping
from close
moment
enough.
for the Japanese team at the IAAF World Relays happened during the third part of the race, when there was a handover fumble, and in a 1 in a million moment they managed to not let the baton drop.
Look at the different way that the battles are often changed. Talking to Gail Devers earlier about, for a lot of nations, it's vertical these days, and this is incredible how it's.
And still caught that shit.
And how Kuru has the presence of mind to still catch.
Okay, I'm pretty sure
Yeah, that's
this wasn't supposed to
so
happen,
lucky.
but a man actually managed to win the gold bar challenge in Berjaya Times Square. And well, basically you have to be able to squeeze your hand in a gold bar through a very small circle. And well, the bar he managed to take out weighs 7 kilograms, which would be worth around $400,000.
How did he do this? I need to know. Skinny hands. And he probably put bare Vaseline on that shit.
In order
What?
to remain airborne longer, some
This is
aircrafts
crazy.
have very complex systems that allow them to be able to receive fuel midair. And well, it's amazing to watch.
That is fucking crazy.
A video that,
is super
seems
crazy.
unreal is one of a giant squid egg. And well, the reason it's so large is because it's been inflated with water to protect the eggs from predators.
I've never seen a squid egg before. It's kind of wild. I could not
Kinda
tell that's a
strange
squid.
moment that even looks a little spooky is one caught by astronomer Jan Code, which is the planet Saturn slowly creeping behind the moon.
Oh shit. Damn, we don't have 4K quality up there yet. Not yet.
An absolutely
Alright.
unbelievable moment happened during a TV show from South Korea, when one contestant was able to walk through hundreds of eggs without breaking a single one of them, which was done by distributing her weight among the highest amount of eggs at a time.
Nah, I don't believe that.
An almost
I don't believe that one.
fact is that after years of research, scientists concluded that elephants are capable of feeling emotions, such as joy, love, and grief. An incredible moment to watch happened when a baby elephant saw a man that was pretending to drown and went to the rescue.
That is nice. So little nigga, you ain't ready for this, man.
With thousands of people gathering around for an opportunity to see the Pope pass around in the Pope-mobile, the odds of him seeing it were very
Pope-mobile.
low. A 1 in a million moment happened when the Pope met baby Pope.
That is funny.
An absolutely
letting
mesmerizing
the Pope kiss my
development
baby,
in
though.
Singapore's airport is a 130 feet indoor waterfall called the Rain Vortex, which cost $1.3 billion to make.
What? Wait,
Kevin
is that a
Fest is a pastor from Canada who happens to be the strongest priest in the world and holds
What the
several weight
fuck?
pulling records, including pulling an entire
Bro, what the fuck?
4,156,000 Globemaster plane for 28 feet.
I wonder if I believe this. What do you guys think? You think this is real?
At a zoo in Miami, a gorilla is seen using sign language to tell he's not allowed to be fed by visitors.
Oh shit.
A hyper-realist wax
those
figure
niggers are
sculpture
smart.
that looks very real is called Sleeping Tourist, and it's at Orlando's International Airport, which is known for scaring some tourists.
That is very fucking wild.
An incredible scenic floating bridge is located in China, and it was built over a winding river, and when cars pass, it creates a ripple effect.
Nah. I'll fly.
A surreal insect to watch is the dead leaf mantis, which mimics dead leaves to prey on other insects, such as butterflies and beetles.
Nigga, that don't look like a dead leaf. What the fuck?
During a volleyball game, the team in dark blue got incredibly lucky when they managed to score an unintentional point
Duh.
when the ball bounced from a player's head.
I didn't even know you could use your head. shit, get it how you live.